Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Simply BI. My name is Harshit and today we are going to understand about the different kind of job profiles you can apply after you have completed your Power BI learnings. Okay. So whenever you are working, whenever you are hunting for a job, there are many kind of jobs available related to Power BI, right? So let's understand the job profiles. Let's understand like what you will be doing in these job profiles using the Power BI. So the very first job which you can hunt for is a business intelligence analyst. Now, as a BI analyst, what is your job? So business analysts, they use Power BI to collect the data, to analyze that data, and that data you can also use to visualize to help the organization make informed business decisions. Okay. So you will be developing a dashboards, you will be developing reports and data models to provide insights into business performance and trends. Now, the second type of job profile which you can hunt for is a data analyst role. Now, what does the data analyst do with Power BI? So, data analysts, they use the Power BI to analyze the large data sets of the companies. They identify trends with that data sets and then they extract the actionable insights from that. Okay. So now, as a data analyst, you design and develop the dashboard reports. Okay, you design the dashboards, you design the reports to communicate the findings with the stakeholders, and you also help in decision making process. The third kind of job profile you can apply for is a data visualization specialist. Now, what does this data visualization specialist do? Okay, so this data visualization specialist, they specialize in creating visually appealing dashboards. Okay, and I can say interactive dashboards and reports using the Power BI. So now they have the expertise in kind of data visualization using different kind of visuals, okay, relating to their particular kind of data. For example, let's say I want a data over time, so I will be using a particular visual for that. Okay, and this data visualization specialist, okay, they help in effectively communicating the insights to the end users. Okay, so that you are very well aware of, okay, what next decision I can make based on the visuals, based on the data, what based on the story what the visual is trying to tell me. The next job which you can hunt for is a BI developer job, business intelligence developer. So BI developer, they are responsible for designing, developing and maintaining the Power BI solutions within an organization. Okay, the BI developers, they work closely with the stakeholders to understand the business requirements. Okay, and they also have developed the data models, they also develop the reports, build dashboards using the Power BI. So basically this BI developer job, it is an end-to-end job where you will be responsible for creating the data models, creating the dashboards from scratch, okay, with the company data sets. The next job profile where you can use the Power BI is a data engineer role. Okay. So what does the data engineers do? Data engineers, they build and they maintain the data pipelines. Okay. And they use the ETL process, extract, transforms and load process to ensure that the data is collected, cleaned and transformed for analysis in Power BI. Okay, so they can also be responsible for managing the data storage and optimizing the data infrastructure for performance related stuffs. Okay, so this is the fifth profile you can apply for. The next profile which you can hunt for while you are preparing for a Power BI role or Power BI, when you're hunting for a Power BI job, you can go with a BI consultant. What does this BI consultant do? So BI consultant, they provide their expertise in implementing and then optimizing the Power BI solutions for the clients. Okay, they work with organizations to understand their business needs. Okay, then they design the Power BI solutions, the dashboards. Okay, and then they also help in providing the training and support to the end users. Okay, on based on the visuals they have created. Now, the next job profile which you can hunt is for a data scientist role. What does this data scientist do with Power BI? So they use Power BI along with other programming tools, okay, like Python and R Studio, anything, to perform advanced analytics and predictive modeling on large data sets. Okay, so they use these Power BI capabilities to visualize and communicate the result of their analysis to the company stakeholders. Now, the next job profile which you can hunt for is a financial analyst. Okay, what does this financial analyst do? So they use financial analyst, they use Power BI to analyze the financial data. Okay, they create the financial data models, and they also generate the reports, let's say for budgeting, forecasting, financial planning purpose, etc. Okay, so they use the Power BI data visualization feature to track the financial metrics, and they also track the trends from that data. Now, the next job profile you can apply for is a healthcare analyst. What does this healthcare analyst do? So they generally use this Power BI to analyze the healthcare data, such as patient outcomes, like number of diseases, effectiveness, okay, and so many things. Cost, healthcare cost. So they create the dashboards and reports to monitor the performance metrics. Okay, they identify areas of improvement, and also they support in the healthcare decision makings. Then the last, or we can say the 10th job profile which you can apply for, is a supply chain analyst. So they use Power BI, okay, uh, for creating a dashboard or reports for the supply chain data. Okay, uh, for example, supplier performance dashboards you can build, logistics operations. Okay, so they develop and build the dashboards to optimize the supply chain process. They also helps in reducing the cost and how to improve the efficiency. Okay, so these 10 jobs which I just discussed, this is not just it, there are many other jobs as well, but these are the top 10 jobs you can hunt for while you are preparing for a Power BI interview. Okay, so I hope that these job profiles are a bit clear to everyone. So if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, please post your doubts in the comment section. I'll try to answer all of them. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.